Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Lower your resolution and aspect ratio. Start by going into your video settings and dropping your resolution to 1280 by 720, or even 1024 by 768. This is the single biggest performance boost you'll get. You can also adjust your aspect ratio to 4:3 to squeeze out more frames. Step 2. Disable or reduce post-processing effects. Turn off motion blur, depth of field, and chromatic aberration completely. These look nice but murder your frame rate. Set your post-processing quality to very low or off entirely. Step 3. Lower terrain and object detail. Reduce your terrain quality to low, which means distant hills and ground textures render less detail. Set object detail to low as well so trees and buildings load with fewer polygons. This helps a ton on older systems. Step 4. Adjust draw distance and visibility settings. Lower your draw distance to around 800 to 1000 meters instead of maximum. This means buildings and trees disappear sooner, but your PC won't struggle as much. You can do the same with shadow distance. Step 5. Enable hardware optimization and driver updates. Make sure your graphics driver is completely up to date. Also turn on any hardware acceleration options in DayZ settings. Close background applications and use a cleaner to remove startup programs. This frees up RAM and processing power for the game itself.